Thakur. Today we are going to be doing reflection from class 10 science. In this video we are going to be studying the rules for rays as they get reflected off concave and convex mirrors. So we do these rules because they make our lives extremely easy when we want to figure out where the image is formed. We are going to do the rule for concave and convex mirrors simultaneously. The first rule that we are going to understand is that when a ray of light is incident at the pole of a mirror, it gets reflected back at the same angle with the principal axis. We have angle of incidence and the reflected angle, which will always be equal at the convex or the concave mirror. To do the next two rules, remember the words parallel and focus. So the next two rules is that a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis passes through the focus or appears to pass through the focus in a convex mirror. A ray of light passing through the focus or appears to pass through the focus in a convex mirror becomes parallel. The last rule that we need to know is again very similar in both the concave and convex mirrors. A ray of light that passes through the center of curvature or appears to pass through the center of curvature gets reflected back along the same path. These four rules, once followed, can help us give the image of the object no matter where it's placed. The rules that we are going to focus on are rule number 1 and rule number 2 because they're the simplest to sketch, which means we are going to make a parallel ray and we are going to make a ray that passes through the center of curvature for all of our images. Alright guys, I have some homework for you. You need to be able to know the rules for the ray diagrams. This forms the backbone of the lecture and it's essentially crucial that you do this well. So make a few lines passing through the focus point, make a few lines being parallel to the principal axis, put them in front of convex and concave mirrors. Make sure you know these four rules very well. We've written rules down in the comments and we're also going to post a worksheet to be able to, so that you can see a snapshot of the rules and you can intuitively understand them. Do this as many times as possible because the better acquainted you are with, you'll be able to get your objects and images just like that. That's going to be a walk in the breeze after this is done well. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I hope it is easier for you to understand ray diagrams now. If it is, I would really appreciate a subscribe and please hit the bell icon to be notified. What we are going to do next time is we are going to actually apply these rules to see how the images are formed, and please join us for that video soon. Thank you.